So, how to use your network to get customers? Part 1. Friends and family. When you try to sell something, the best technique to use is ask for advice, or can you give me some advice? People hate sales, but they love to give advice. And when you ask for advice or help, something like, "Hey dude, can you give me some advice? Please help me." People are happy to give you a hand. It is natural for us. It makes us feel good to share something or help. Helping makes us more loyal and open to those who ask for it. But when you try to sell someone something directly, people certainly aren't going to be open to you because no one likes sales. And now I want to show you an example of a simple script on how you can do this. You can start a dialogue with someone in your network like this. "Hi, I've decided to start a career as a digital marketer, and I'm looking for business owners who can give me advice on how to get started, what marketing strategies they use in their business, and how they get clients. Do you know any business owners? If so, could you introduce me to them? I'd really appreciate it." This is one of the best ways to start communication. Two things are important to keep in mind. Don't ask, "Do you know someone who needs Facebook ad service?" It's too direct. It's better to ask, "Do you know any small business owners?" First, you need to get to your target audience. Your friends may not even know that someone in their network needs advertising. And asking directly, "Do you know anyone who needs advertising on Facebook?" you're likely to get the answer, "I have no idea." To sum it up, don't ask if someone needs your services. Ask about people who fit your ICP. In our case, these are small business owners in the service business industry. As a bonus, we have prepared a script. The link to it is below this video. Here are some examples of scripts. You can change the scale with the mouse wheel or in the right bottom corner. After you are advised someone suitable for your ICP, you need to contact them. Let's look at one example of a conversation with your prospect. "Hi, thank you for your time." It's important to say thank you for taking time for you. Next, you need to introduce yourself and outline the topic of the dialogue. "I've decided to start a career in digital marketing, and now I'm learning how business work and how they get customers. Can you please tell me what kind of business you have and how marketing works for your company?" The purpose of these questions is to understand the type of business and whether they use paid marketing. There are two possible answers. They pay for ads or they don't pay for ads. Let's look at the case where they don't pay. The answer may be something like this. "I have a small restaurant in the center of the city. I've been in this business for more than 10 years. People know us and they come by themselves. We have never advertised on the internet." So you may answer, "Thank you for your response. I clearly see your main source of customers is word of mouth. But now everyone uses Facebook and Instagram, and you can promote your business online too. If you want, we can try promoting on Instagram. It will take only 1-2 days, but you will see the result immediately. What do you think about that?" Your goal is to offer internet promotion, to underline that many businesses do it, and now it's a question of competitiveness. In simple words, you collect information, create demand, and offer a solution. This is a classic technique used in sales, but it's important to do it in a non-pressuring way and communicate in a relaxed manner. Now let's look at the other answer, if they use paid ads. It can be something like, "We have a real estate company. In most cases we sell apartments, sometimes we sell cottages, but that's rare. We already work with a marketing agency that deal with this all. They use Google Ads." In this situation, we have 3 options. First is to ask to be introduced to someone. In this case, you can answer, "Could you introduce me to them? I'm just a beginner in marketing, so I want to develop my network in this field." In the beginning, you need to expand your network and get to know people from marketing. It's also worth asking, "By the way, maybe you know someone who needs the marketing services, but they are not ready to hire an agency yet and are open to trying their first steps in promotion with a beginner. I would be grateful if you could introduce me to these people." Your goal is to expand your network of people who you can be useful for and who can be useful for you. The second option is to try to offer your services and skills for simpler tasks. You can say, "Thank you for your reply. Can you please tell me if you have some simple assignments for me that is too easy for a marketing agency? I would like to take the job. Your goal is to get at least a simple task and begin to implement your knowledge and skills. The third option is similar to the second, which is to offer your services. For example, thank you for your response. Can you tell me if you have tried Facebook ads for your business? I think it may be more effective. For example, set up a Facebook lead form and in a couple of hours you will get new leads. As far as I know, Google ads are much more expensive than Facebook ads in your niche. I can do it for you. It takes a few days and you need a small budget. Let's give it a try. What do you think about it? Your goal is to sell your Facebook ad services and offer to compare the effectiveness of the source of leads. This way, you can start finding new clients, expand your network, and try to make the first sales of your services. So, your homework is to ask your from 5 to 10 friends to introduce you to business owners they know. And we will continue in the next video.